And start when you're ready.
I'm ready. Hi, I am Derek, and I made the GRH, which stands for Go Home Robber. The goal is to make an alarm system to prevent a robber like that from taking your stuff. And the compact design allows you to store away in a cheeky spot, so the robber won't see it if he or she can see. The build was very tedious. I was trying to remember which pin number goes to what pin. Example, over there. Then the program, the complex, not true, code included setting up the LEDs, buzzer, and sensor. It took 2 to 4 weeks, I think. Anyways. The testing. I tested each component to make sure it worked. Actual live footage. Rethink. Make it an actual product to sell. And then final test to see if it works, shall we? So if we go over Z here. And so, say for example this was in the way. That is the robber. Then if you want to shut this thing off without ripping off your ears, you'll just press that button over here. Pretty simple.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for Derek?
Any questions, guys? Vincent. Oh.
See that your LEDs like bright up at each stage? What are those for?
I do not know. I should know, but I guess just to make sure it's on. I guess. No, why?
Like detects the burglar, right?
Oh yeah, sorry, detective burglar, my bad.
Well, it's going to show different ranges of distance.
Right, I totally forgot about that.
So when it gets too close.
Yeah, when he gets too close, then it will let you know he's right there.
Okay.
Anything else? You in the back.
Is this project art?
The only hard part was it's just put it up right. So, yeah.
If you're actually gonna sell it, and it's like installed in your house, or if like your brother goes downstairs, if you have one, if your brother goes downstairs to get a slice for a pizza, and then it like triggers the alarm, would it be able to tell like if it's like family or robber?
Well, you don't know if it's your pizza or not, so you're like, okay, this is my pizza, don't touch it. If it touches it, there's his own fault. Alright, you in the back. Okay.
What is the hardest part on the project?
Just remembering what pins go where. That's about it.
Cool.
So yeah, that's my presentation on that show.
Okay. Please give him a round of applause. All right. Thank you, Derek.
Yeah.